Hello, welcome to IFC Markets. The previous week was very positive for the US dollar since the important macroeconomic data was coming out almost every day, which turned out to be quite good. On Monday, NAHB Wells Fargo Housing Market Index for August rose for the third time in a row and reached the 7-month high. Housing starts for July was released on Tuesday. It added 15.7% and reached the 8-month high. The US building permits up to 8.1% and appeared to hit the highest level since April 2013. Both indicators outperformed significantly. Moreover, the inflation data was released, which was also very positive, though met the market expectations. The dollar consolidation continued. The release of the last Fed meeting materials, which indicated a sustained recovery of the US economy, provided support for the dollar rise on Wednesday. All the US economic indicators appeared to be better than expected on Thursday. The US existing home sales in July rose 2.4% and hit 10-month high. Initial claims increased only 298,000 people at the forecast of 315,000. Non-farm payrolls topped 200,000 for the 6th month in a row for the first time since 1997. The labor market recovery, along with the low inflation rate of less than 2%, is the key factor in determining the Fed monetary policy. It appears to be quite reasonable that at the chairman meeting of the world-leading central banks on Friday, the Fed chair Janet Yellen announced the QE3 program completion this October and a possible rate hike in the second half of 2015. In its turn, the ECB President Mario Draghi expressed his concern over the slow pace of the EU economy recovery. He believes that it is necessary to establish the monetary policy easing in the form of the euro issue or the LTRO program launching, which is the European counterpart of QE3. We can say that the United States and the Eurozone want to swap. The Fed completes QE3 and the ECB wants to launch it. The U.S. significant economic information is not expected this Wednesday. Initial claims, the GDP for the second quarter on second reading, and pending home sales will be released on Thursday. The data on personal income and expenses and Chicago PMI will be announced on Friday. In our opinion, the tentative forecasts prove to be neutral, which can slow down the U.S. currency strengthening. The EU inflation rate will possibly affect the investor sentiment, which will be released on Friday. And in Japan, it is planned to come out on Thursday. You've been watching Weekly Market Overview by IFC Markets. See you next week.